It's my melon mango juice. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a melon mango juice. Okay, so I have some mangoes cut up here already. I'm gonna cut up the melon, and then I have some ginger, so put it in there. I have my water, my pot strainer, blender. I'm not going to use any sugar today guys because the mango is already sweet, so I'm gonna get started. So guys, remember, if you're watching your sugar intake, this is a good juice to have. It's full of vitamin C and it's healthy. All right, so let's get started guys. So I'm gonna cut up the melon now guys. You don't have to remove the seed. Just blend it with the seed. Alright guys, I'm gonna open my blender now, and then I'm gonna add these to it. So I'm gonna add my fruits to the blender, my ginger, I'm gonna add some water. It's a juice, so this should be enough guys. I'm just gonna cover the blender and blend. And there you have it guys, all done. I'm gonna strain this now, so you know how many times you need to strain it. Unless you have that straining cloth, you have to strain properly. So guys, this look a little bit too thick. I don't really like my juice thick, so I'm gonna add some more water to lighten it a bit. Alright, if you like your juice thick, no problem. I'm gonna add some more water. Okay, that should be good. And then I'm gonna strain it some more. And guys, you know the drill, to strain until you don't see any more of these trash in it. Alright, so in the interest of time, my juice is ready and I'm gonna glass it now. added some ice cubes and I'm gonna pour the juice on it. So lovely. Look at the color, beautiful. I'm gonna just taste this for you now, guys. Tasting it for you now, guys. So lovely. The perfect juice. Enough sweet now. I didn't add any sugar and it didn't want any more sugar. The mango make it taste sweet. It is refreshing and it's good for the entire family. Okay guys, so go ahead and try it. So guys, remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this juice. Look at the color, it's beautiful. No additive, no preservative, and it's the right taste. No sugar. Alright guys, so go ahead and try this juice. The mango make it sweet, so no sugar needed. Alright guys, so thank you for watching guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. My melon and mango juice.